thing we got here is a Braiser, the smallest one that they have. And this one is an Artichaut. I don't know if I'm really on camera here, but anyway. Okay, Braiser, Artichaut.
Artichaut.
Alright, and we just do this. Whackety whack. There's the included booklet. Ooh, beautiful gradient. Yes. I love running my thumb along here. It feels so good. That's beautiful. Oh my God, look at that. Gorgeous. Okay. These guys I'm gonna save these. There, okay. Hey. I love that when you're cooking, you can look down and see the color, you know, straight down. It's beautiful. Yeah. Nice. And we gotta take that off. Okay, and this piece. All right, so now we can look at. And I love the gradient. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, but there we go. I'm gonna love this one.